everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Scentsy and home fragrance content. And if you are a returning subscriber, I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. So I'm back with another video. I am going to sniff out the 10 new releases for the Fall Winter 2021 catalog. I've had my testers for quite a while, and the catalog, I got them like a week after a lot of the other consultants had already done sniff sessions, so I kind of asked you guys in a previous video if you still wanted me to do this, and I had some subscribers that say yes, please do it. So I will happily do this for you. And I always forget to say at the end of my video, please follow me on Instagram at Duchess by Day. That is where I post the latest Scentsy news. I don't always have time to put a video up for you every time a new collection is coming out, or like today, Bring Back My Bar voting is starting. So if you follow me on Instagram at Duchess by Day, then you will definitely be abreast of the latest Scentsy news, and also other fun things like what I'm warming that day, or what you guys, and you can comment and let me know what you're warming, some mixing ideas, and that type of thing. So without further ado, let's jump in. So let me just go over to the new release page. Well, let me show you the catalog. It's the theme is Above and Beyond. And I don't know how you guys feel, but I feel a little weird. It's July. I'm still enjoying my summer, and I'm talking about fall and winter fragrances. It's a little odd, you know, and I'm never happy to see the spring-summer catalog retired, because those are the fragrances that I really gravitate towards. I like fruity, citrus, you know, sweet scents, that type of thing. So yeah, it's just a little odd. Comment and let me know how you feel about it. Some of you may love the fall and winter and you're like, yes, finally. But I'm just like, already? I'm not ready for summer to be over. So, okay, let's jump in. First fragrance is Blue Sage and Tonka. The scent description is: revel in the richness of midnight sage and black lavender over the sultry sweetness of tonka bean. And I do like the color of this wax. It's really pretty. This really pretty, like, grayish blue. And I thought I would really like this one. Okay, I get a lot of sage. A lot of sage. I guess I'm not a sage fan because it's just a little too much. I was really hoping for more of the lavender and tonka bean, and tonka bean is vanilla. But I do still get the black lavender. And I really don't get any tonka bean. Mostly sage. So this is one that I will definitely need to warm, because I'm really searching for the lavender and the tonka bean for this one. But it's a lot of sage. If you like sage, that herbal type scent, then you may enjoy this one. But that is under the woods category. Next is Cashmere and Corduroy. Wrap yourself up in the coziness of creamy vanilla, Sicilian bergamot, and cashmere sandalwood. And this is also under the woods category. A pretty mauve colored wax. I like the color of this wax, and I have smelled this one and I absolutely adore it. Oh, I love, anytime there's cashmere in the scent, usually I love it. And I do. So you get vanilla and you get the cashmere. To me, cashmere like implies like a soft, fuzzy, like comforting, almost like a cotton, but not like a laundry cotton, just like a soft fluffiness. And this scent definitely has that. And then you get that sandalwood. I'm really not getting any bergamot. That may come out when I warm it, but I hope not, because I absolutely love this. It's like a warm vanilla cashmere, comforting, just beautiful. And corduroys. I hope corduroys come back in style because I love corduroys. Okay, yeah. I love this one. Yes. As soon I'm buying a bar of this, like, immediately. So yes, that is cashmere and corduroy. Next is cinnamon buttercream. Italian buttercream and creamy mascarpone scooped over cinnamon cake. Combine sugar, spice, and everything nice. So, mascarpone it's a cream cheese. And I like the color of this wax. It's like this pretty, khaki color. And I really like this one. So, the cinnamon buttercream scared me because there's cinnamon in the title, but you really don't get much cinnamon. I'm barely getting any cinnamon. I'm really getting more of just a spicy buttercream vanilla frosting. And I really enjoy the cream cheese note, that mascarpone note. Some other fragrances that have that nobody really talks about, that cream cheese note, is pumpkin cinnamon swirl has it. And that is also returning. I love that one. And also Bath & Body Works strawberry pound cake. I've done reviews on that, and strawberry pound cake to me smells more like strawberry cheesecake. It's got that same mascarpone note that I love that. This is delicious. This is in the bakery category. You would have to like vanilla buttercream bakery type fragrances probably to enjoy this, but I love that because I do enjoy bakery. So yes, cinnamon buttercream, I will definitely be getting a bar of that. Eucalyptus Wreath. This one is fresh. It says fresh eucalyptus is woven with juniper and adorned with frosted mint. Now I really like eucalyptus and juniper. I really thought that I would like this. And it's not bad. It's very fresh. You get hit with eucalyptus and mint. And to me, it may be just a little bit too much mint. I would like to see the mint kind of take a back seat and let more of the juniper come out. But you do get the freshness from the juniper too. Freshness, kind of sweetness maybe from juniper. It's nice. I like the eucalyptus, but for me, it's too much mint. I'm not a minty fan. Like, I like the mint in marshmallow mint, because that's more of a buttermint. So just maybe too much mint, but it is, if you like eucalyptus and you like mint, you definitely should give this a try. And it's very fresh. It's in the fresh category. It's not bad. It's not, but I was really hoping to love that one, and I don't. Graham Cracker Crunch. This is the bakery category. Caramelized graham cracker, layered with crunchy peanut butter and creamy vanilla bean. This is bakery. Another beautiful khaki colored wax. And I want to love this one, but I don't. Okay, I get the caramelized graham cracker. I do get that. I get vanilla, but the crunchy peanut butter is just overpowering in the tester. I'm not a big fan of that peanut butter note in this. So I'm hoping when I warm this that the peanut butter takes a back seat to the graham cracker and the vanilla. But yeah, you definitely get graham cracker. You get a lot of crunchy peanut butter and vanilla bean, and it's bakery. So if you like those notes, this is pretty unique. It's a unique scent. That is Graham Cracker Crunch. Next is Harvest Blessings, Radiant Apple, Spiced Pumpkin, and Smooth Oak. Embody everything you love about autumn. Right off the bat, apple and spiced pumpkin. But this one, surprisingly, I don't mind this one. To me, apple scents are overdone and they're boring. And I'm sorry if you love apple. That's just, and apple is like the main fruit usually for fall. And it's just, so you get apple, you get pumpkin. But there is something that's sweet about this. Like maybe, and you know what? Apple gives like a fresh sweetness too. What category is this? Okay, this is spice. And you get some spice. It's apple, spiced pumpkin. The smooth oak, I'm not really getting the smooth oak. Yeah, I am. Actually, yes, I am. The oak grounds it a little bit. It's nice. It's fall. I mean, when they say that this embodies autumn, it really does. Actually, it's not bad. It's apple, pumpkin with a dusting of spice and some oak. Kind of, it's under the spice category, but it's a little fresh to me. It's not bad. It's not bad. Pomegranate Prosecco. This is under the fruity category. Delectable roseberry and pomegranate add an effervescent splash to a flute of pink Prosecco. Now this sounds right down my street, honestly. Okay, so you get pomegranate, and I like pomegranate. You get pomegranate, and you definitely get that effervescent note from the Prosecco. And it is very fruity and bright. Yeah, this is pretty. Ooh, that's very pretty. This is fruity. Pomegranate Prosecco, I think that's going to be in my first 6-pack as well. Scarlet Sunflower. Juicy apple and a hint of red cranberry are brightened by a scarlet sunflower turning to face the sun. This is under the fruity category. I like that description. Okay, so you definitely get sunflower and you get like this bright pop of apple. Apple and cranberry. And I like cranberry. So it's like a mix of apple and cranberry. Very bright with sunflower. And something about this does smell like sunny and bright. Yeah, I like this. It's nice. It smells like a fall floral. Fruity floral. Because it's under the fruity category. But it's like, it is fall-like. Like a fall floral with fruit. I like this. Scarlet Sunflower. Yeah, that one's not bad. Spiced Ember Glow. Beautiful name. It's a really beautiful name. Smoked apple and toasted vanilla over cinnamon embers offer a warm and inviting escape. Smokiness, apple, spices. I'm sorry. This is a brick colored, like maroon colored wax. I need to stop. I'm sorry, my face. I know you can see it in my face right there. I don't like cinnamon. This is, yeah, cinnamon. You definitely get cinnamon and a smokiness with boring apple and vanilla. A vanilla sweetens it up. Yeah, this is, I mean, I love the name, Spiced Ember Glow. Like, it sounds so beautiful to be so boring. Spicy, smoke, cinnamon, and apples. Yeah, that right there. That's why I don't. That's why I don't love the fall winter catalog. Ugh, enough with the cinnamon. But I will say there's not too much cinnamon for the new releases. They didn't overdo it. Thank God. Okay, Tinsel berry. Strawberry and cranberry, dipped in cinnamon and sweet sugar for a little extra sparkle. This is under the fruity category. And it started off so well. Strawberry and cranberry, yes, I'm there. Sweet sugar, but they're dipped in cinnamon. And this is like a soft red colored wax. Tinsel berry. Okay, I get a lot of strawberry and cranberry with cinnamon. It's almost like cinnamon bear, but add a bunch of strawberry. Yeah, it smells like a red hot, but add a lot of strawberry. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. That's Tinselberry. Yeah. Oh, and I wanted to mention that Salted Caramel Toffee is coming back. That was one of the holiday brick releases. Um, I was really hoping for Marshmallow Mint Cocoa to be added to the catalog. Um, but Salted Caramel Toffee is nice. It's like a butterscotch scent, and we don't really have any butterscotch scents. So, yeah, so if you fell in love with that brick, that is coming to the catalog. And just to mention, um, what else was returning that I was happy about? I was happy to see Pumpkin Cinnamon Swirl. I'm always happy to see Very Snowy Spruce. I love tree scents. Eskimo Kiss is returning, but it's they're calling it Polar Bear Hugs now, which I understand that, you know, that seems more appropriate than Eskimo Kiss, in my opinion. So yeah, was there anything that's coming back that I'm like, yes? Pumpkin roll is coming back. Oh, I'm so glad. Apple cherry strudel. So yeah, just comment and let me know which one of these you've smelled and which ones you really like, which ones you don't like. And I'm so sorry if I seem negative, but I just, my tastes are what they are, and I don't care for a lot of cinnamon, and you know, so yeah, just let me know what you think. And if you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe. And also, if you have any questions about anything, if you're wondering if a fragrance returned, just comment and I'll be happy to look it up and let you know. And I will link my website in the comment section so you can go and see if there's anything you want to purchase, or if you're interested in joining Scentsy, just reach out to me. I will also put my email address down there. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.